Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you are fine. Yes, 4th class children, science, lesson number 5, workbook part. Yes, open your workbooks children, page number 21. Yes, the long answer. In the previous class we have written up to 13th answer. Yes, and how can littering the surroundings with garbage be harmful to us? Write in the space given. Yes, the space is given here means A, point A, B, C, D. You have to write children. Yes, the answer is on the board. Some waste will decay and sink. Point 1, point A and point B. Sharp objects can harm us. C. Flies and worms will breed on it. And D. It causes diseases to spread. Yes, I am repeating the answer once again children. Some waste will decay and sink. Sharp objects can harm us. Flies and worms will breed on it. It causes diseases to spread. I am repeating the answer once again. Some waste will decay and sink. Sharp objects can harm us. Flies and worms will breed on it. It causes diseases to spread. Yes, the next one children, page number 22. Turn the page. Multiple choice question. We should reduce the use of which of the following? The 4 options are given there children. Option A, plastic bags. B, cloth bags. C, giving old clothes to the needy. D, recycled items. Which one is correct children? Yes, it is the plastic option A, plastic bags. Yes, and the 16th one, what causes air pollution? Options are given there children. 4 options are there. Using cloth bags. Second one, burning waste and plastics. C, throwing the waste in proper waste bin. D, reusing toys. Which one is correct? Yes, D is correct. Short answer question children. What is the sign shown below used for? This sign, what it is showed? You have to write the answer. Yes, the answer is on the board children. It is the recycle sign. It is used to, okay children, okay. It is the recycle sign. It is used to label materials which can be recycled. I am repeating once again children. It is the recycle sign. It is used to label materials which can be recycled. I am repeating once again children. It is the recycle sign. It is used to label materials which can be recycled. Yes, just I'll move aside children. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Eighteenth one children, name any 2 R's of the 3R method. Yes, the answer children, it is reduce or reuse. Any 2 you have to write. Yes, okay. And the next one children, the long answer page number 23. Long answer question, 19th one. We recycle to reduce waste. We recycle to reduce waste. Based on this answer, the following questions. Yes, answer the following question. Based on this, answer the following questions. Yes, what is recycling? Yes, option. The A answer children. Making new useful things from waste is called recycling. What it is children? Making new useful things from waste is called recycling. And the next one is B. Write the next steps for recycling old newspapers in the space given. Here in one box, 3 boxes are there, children. The first one is given here. We have to write this too. Yes, they are converted into paper pulp. Yes, and the next one, the pulp is used to make paper cups and dishes. Yes, I am repeating the answer once again, children. 19th answer, making new useful things from waste is called recycling. Making new useful things from waste is called recycling. Making new useful things from waste is called recycling. And the next one, children, old newspapers are collected. The next, they are converted into paper pulp. Yes, and the next, the pulp is used to make paper cups and dishes. They are converted into paper pulp. The pulp is used to make paper cups and dishes. Yes, and the next one, children, the page number 23, 20th. List the waste collected in your house daily for a week. Find out which of them can be used for making compost to grow plants in the kitchen garden. Yes, the type of the waste collected can be used to make compost. You have to see that for 1 week that the waste collected daily in your house. Yes, and you have to write that what type of waste it is we can use for the compost or no. Yes or no, you have to write in this column. This is the homework, children. You have to write homework, right? Page number 23, long answer question in workbook. Yes, and children, you have to prepare for FA2 exams also. Yes, okay. Just I'll move aside. You take the screenshot of these answers. Take your classwork, children. Lesson number 5, keeping our neighborhood clean. First bit, new words. First one, solid waste. Second one, gaseous waste. Solid waste, first one. Second one, gaseous waste. Third one, liquid waste. Fourth one, disposal. Fifth one, reduce. Sixth one, reuse. Seventh one, recycling. Eighth one, compost. Ninth one, layer. 10th one, mission. Solid waste, gaseous waste, liquid waste, disposal, reduce, reuse, recycling, compost, layer, mission. You have to draw the line with the scale. Yes, you have to write here, turn the page, draw the line and write here 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and you have to write the answers from the workbook. Yes, you have to write the short answers questions, children, from the workbook in classwork. 7th one, 12th one and 13th one. These answers you have to write in the classwork. Okay, children? Take your textbook, children, page number 17. Lesson number 5, keeping our neighborhood clean. Let us learn about the different types of waste, disposal of waste, the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, compost. Think on the way of her aunt's place, Rena saw four garbage bins near a bus station. They were of different colors. She wondered why they were of different colors. Why were there four beans instead of one? Remembering, every day we throw away the things which we do not need anymore. Things that are no longer useful to us are called waste. What are the unwanted things you throw away at school? Waste at school may include paper, chalk pieces, pencil, okay, shavings, and so on. It may also include leftover food, fruit peelings, chocolate wrappers, and plastic covers. In the same way, waste is generated at different places. Wastes are of three types. Solid waste. They may be either wet or dry. Wet waste consists of chicken waste such as vegetable and fruit peels and pieces, tea leaves, bones, fish scales, as well as cooked food. Dry waste consists of waste such as paper, plastic, metal, glass, rubber, and so on. Turn the page, children. Page number 18. Some solid waste rot when buried under the soil. This decay of waste happens with the help of air, water, and tiny organisms. The waste becomes part of the soil. Example, cow dung, dry leaves, leftover food. Some solid wastes do not decay when buried in the soil. Example, plastic bottles and bags, glass pieces. Liquid waste. Liquid waste in the liquid forms is known as liquid waste. Example, wastewater from houses and factories. Gaseous waste. Waste in the form of gas is called gaseous waste. Example, smoke from vehicles and factories and many other human activities. The waste generated in different places may differ. Waste from cities mainly includes paper, plastic bottles, glass pieces, kitchen waste, and so on. Waste from villages mostly includes the waste from fields and farms. It can be in the form of animal waste such as cow dung, stalks of the harvested crops, dry leaves, and so on. Understanding what happens if we litter our surroundings with garbage. Some waste will decay and some will stink. Flies and worms will breed on the garbage. This may cause diseases to spread. Dry waste like broken pieces of glasses or nails can cause injury during handling. Waste materials are harmful and they also make our surroundings dirty. So, waste has to be disposed of carefully. The process of getting rid of the waste is called waste disposal. We must follow the following steps for easy waste disposal. Sorting of waste material. We must sort waste into wet and dry waste. We must also sort waste based on their ability to decay in the soil. Disposing of waste in different bins. We should dispose the sorted waste materials in separate bins. Bins of different colors and Labels should be used. Do you know what happens to the waste after you sort it and dispose of in different colored bins? Page number 19, children. In some cities and villages, waste materials are collected from different places using garbage. Trucks, trucks carry these waste materials to dumping yards. Some waste is burnt in big oven like machines, some waste is buried in the soil, while other waste materials are reused to make some useful products. In places where there is no garbage disposal system, people throw the waste in open fields. They may burn their household waste in their backyard. This makes the surroundings dirty, okay, unhygienic and polluted. Okay, children? Heaps of waste are collected every day in cities and villages. Getting rid of this waste has become a difficult task. Burning waste and plastic causes air pollution. Burying plastic and other harmful waste in the soil will make the soil unfit for living things. They may also pollute the underground water. So, what can we do to manage our waste? Reduce, reuse, recycle. R3 or 3RS. R3 or 3Rs. The 3RS is a method to manage waste correctly. Let us understand what the 3Rs mean. Reduce. We should reduce or limit the use of things such as plastic bags that are harmful to the environment. Reuse. We should reuse things as much as possible before replacing them. For example, we can donate some old clothes, toys, or other items that are in good condition. The needy people can reuse them. Recycle. Have you seen a person who collects old newspapers, bottles, and boxes? What happens to this waste? We can make new useful things from such wastes. This is called recycling of the wastes. For example, our newspapers collected from houses are made into paper pulp. New items like paper, cups, and dishes are made from the pulp. Have you seen this sign anywhere? We use it to label materials which can be recycled. Sometimes a fourth R is added to the three basic ones, generally standing for either rethink or recover. Rethink means we should think of the impact of things we use on the environment. Recover means we should practice creating new things from waste. We have seen how to manage the waste from the household, but we also need to manage the waste from our body. Okay, children?